All right, folks, here I go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2015 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive with 130,000 miles, all original, former Highway Patrol unit from Portland, Oregon. Original navy blue from factory, so the vehicle does have little tiny scratches, okay, and it does have some door dings. I will go ahead and point this out to you. Well, it only has door dings in one specific area in the vehicle, but I will go ahead and point that out to you. Folks, the vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the states. Once again, this was a former Highway Patrol unit with 130,000 miles, all original. The vehicle is blue by day and black by night. Folks, let me stop right here. Vehicle does have what it appears to be a medium shade type of tint from the department. Not too dark, not too light. You can kind of see right through. Let's continue here. Folks, let me tell you, this vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. Once again, she has been completely dolled up by me. She's not perfect. I'm not saying she has 0 miles and with zero details on the vehicle, but hey, she was a former Highway Patrol unit, folks, so we're gonna have little scratches and some chips here and there. Folks, I do have one antenna on the trunk lid. This is what the car came with, so I went ahead and left that alone. I'm not removing it, so what you see is what you're gonna get. Everything does work in the vehicle as expected. She is fast and she is very strong. You step on the gas pedal, she will get up and go with no hesitations whatsoever, folks. Let me backtrack over here, folks. I do have some little scratches. I do have scratches here on the rear bumper. All right, you can see them right there. I touched them up with paint when I had the front bumper cover painted. So yeah, that's been touched up right there with blue. Once again, scratches on the rear bumper cover. This doesn't affect the drivability of the vehicle, but I do have scratches. Folks, let me tell you, she's not 110% perfect, new, out of the factory showroom. That's not the case here. But you know, if you can see past the little scratches and the little nips and naps, you got yourself a great looking car here. Also, I do have a brand new set of tires, courtesy of that department, Highway Patrol from Portland, Oregon. These are going to be the Goodyear Eagles winter enforcer tires. DOT on the tires are 2022, so yes, those are new. Once again, new tires from the department, DOT 2022, all around. Folks, the car looks great. Perfect color combination here with the black and blue, thin blue line. I like that. So perfect color combo. No spotlights on the vehicle. Let me stop right here. The vehicle did have a spotlight hole. However, every now and then I get a special request, or maybe a customer wants to throw something at me and says, hey Mario, why don't you do a spotlight delete? So I went ahead and removed the driver's side spotlight, and I have my detail, my paint shop, my paint crew touch it all up, and we fixed it. Let me backtrack over here, folks. I did tell you earlier that I did have the front bumper cover. Reason why? Because it had one too many chips that I wasn't comfortable with, and it had one hole over there and one hole over there for the LED light that they usually put on each side of the bumper cover. So once again, the front bumper cover has been repainted, so it looks great. It looks new. The hood looks good. I didn't touch the hood. And folks, I do have a one thing here that catches my eye. I gotta tell you, it's here on the driver's side fender. You can see it right there, driver's side fender. And I do have a ding here on the driver's side door. Let me move around. There you go. You guys can see that right here. And I do have a ding right here, folks. This area right here, I ran out of money. I went over budget on the vehicle as it was, so I decided to leave that alone. Yes, you can open the door with no problems. You can shut it with no problems whatsoever. But I went over budget and I didn't have enough money to get this area done. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the price, and so that I can go ahead and give you a discount on it. I couldn't get it done, so there you go. I also did have the roof of the vehicle repainted. Why? Because the antenna setup was on the front, and I just didn't like it the way it was. If the antenna holes were in the back, I could have put antenna holes on there, and that would have been it. So the roof was repainted. Let's go inside real quick. Folks, all 4 steel wheels on this vehicle do look nice and glossy still. They are in great conditions. I didn't have to recondition this one, so the great steel wheels all around. Let's continue, folks. As you guys can see, I do have a nice matching interior. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. I do have vinyl plastic floor, very easy to clean. Electric seats, driver's side and passenger side. Driver's side seat is nice and comfortable. I do have a new use aftermarket, new use OEM center console. I went ahead and picked that up at the junkyard, and I got lucky it was complete, so I went ahead and took it all out. Everything works. It's been connected. Passenger side seat is in perfect shape. I don't think nobody ever sat there. I did a great job putting this vehicle together for us here. Let me clean this up. There you go. I do have 3 key fobs, guys. 3 key fobs with this vehicle here. All right, with new batteries. Let me go ahead and fire her up. There she goes. System is up and running. All pressure lights are off. I do have 130,000 miles. Let me see if I can clean that up here for us. 130,000 miles right there, guys. There you go. The stereo does work. All 4 speakers inside the vehicle do work. YouTube, I do not own the rights of any songs. Air conditioner has been, it's nice and cold. It was serviced. Everything works in the vehicle. Courtesy light is new use. I went ahead and in the junkyard, I took this one out of another vehicle, so reinstalled it here. New. This is a new, I think it's Gauss LED lights, red LED, white LEDs. Honk does work. Cruise control does work. It does have factory Bluetooth, which is here, so you can control everything from the steering wheel. All right, power sockets, everything does work. You can control the air conditioner from the screen here as well, or the panel down here. Okay, am I forgetting anything else? I hope not. Oh snap, 8 minutes. Let me hurry up. All right guys, let's continue. Just gonna go to the back real quick. Vehicle does have a full spare tire. Floor jack, it's in place. Electric floor jack is in place. I do have aluminum sliding tray table right here. I decided to leave this in place. Nice little feature, so I went ahead and left that there. Super clean. My detail guys went through everything, guys, so you guys can see everything has been done. Let me step it up because I'm running behind here. All right, folks, here's the engine. I gotta hurry up. I'm running out of time. I do apologize. Sometimes I do talk too much. All right, folks, starting right to left. I do have new air filter from that department. I do have full synthetic 520 oil service that was done on the vehicle. I do have 16 Iridium OEM spark plugs on this vehicle. So yes, 16 spark plugs, OEM Iridium plugs. Those are about $11 each. Transmission service was done. Mopar ATF4 fluid and filter was used. Air conditioner was recharged. It was Freon was slow, and the air conditioner was not coming as cold as it should have been coming out, so I had that recharged because it was slow. It's got a new battery from the department. Brakes are about 90% all around from the department, which is great. Everything works. Am I forgetting anything else? And I do have a brand new cabin filter as well. Brand new cabin filter. Throttle body was cleaned out, folks. That's something I always do on my vehicles, and I want everything running clean and super nice. I don't think I'm forgetting anything else. If I do forget something, it's gonna be in my description, folks, but so far I think this is it. Vehicle has been fully serviced. Everything was replaced. Once again, I set you up for success on another great running vehicle. Here she is. One last final look at this beautiful 2015 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive Dodge Charger. Folks, if you guys are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call, text me, email me. We can talk about it, and let's see if we can reach some type of deal. Alright folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a beautiful weekend out there. Please be safe. God bless and take care.